just a turtle! Oh no, Turtle! Is something wrong? Fizzy Fun House! Miss Hands, why are the flowers a strange color?
Hey Phoebe, hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Uh-oh, it looks like gooey, squishy slime.
Oh no! Here, let me help! Fizzy, Wheezy, Phoebe Bop! Oh no! The baby turtles have turned into slime! I'm sorry, Mama Turtle! I was only trying to help! It's alright, Phoebe! We'll save them all! But how? We find the items in the slime to help turn them back! Awesome sauce! Time to save the baby turtles! Miss Hands, we need a hand!
Of course, Fizzy. All right, let's see what's inside the green bottle. But uh-oh, looks like we've got a little turtle on the top. Don't worry, little green turtle. We'll save you. Okay, gonna put you down there, nice and safe. Now it's time to find out what's inside the green slime bottle. Here we go! Whoa, what was that? There are so many things inside our green slime. We've got some green grapes. Yummy. All right, let's put those next to Turtle over there. And, whoa, look, it's a green frog bouncing in our green slime. Look at you go. Whoa, that's so high. Careful, Mr. Frog. You must have come from the lily pad. All right, let's go put you next to the turtle over here. And oh no, what's this? It's super wobbly and ow, it's stuck to our slime. Whoa, it's a silly green dinosaur. I wonder what happens if I squeeze it. Whoa, his head goes super big. That's super silly. All right, let's see if we can sit you over here. Oh no, you must be so hungry. You keep trying to eat that slime. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, look at this. We've got some super sticky slime. Oh, I can almost see through it. Yuck.
Miss Hands! Miss Hands!
Yes, Fizzy?
This slime is magical! Go ahead and cover up the items and wait for the Fizzy Magic to happen!
Wow! All right, Fizzy. Let's go ahead, take our magical green slime and cover up our dinosaur, our frog, our little turtle, and of course, our green grapes. And now I guess we've got to wait for the Fizzy Magic. Whoa, there it is.
Oh no, it didn't work. This is a disaster. Uh-oh, the magic slime must have gotten wet. The magic must have dampened. Don't worry, Mama Turtle. Let's open all the slime bottles and see if there's any more clues. Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Great idea, Fizzy. All right, let's put our little turtle and our green slime, whoa, that is so much green slime, over here. Now, let's see what's inside the pink bottle. But uh-oh, looks like there's another turtle on the top. And this time, it's orange with purple. So pretty. All right, let's put you down there. And now it's time to see what's inside the pink bottle. Here we go. Whoa, that's so many things. We've got 1, 2, 3 pink things in our, super pink, super gloopy, stretchy slime. Wow, oops. All right, let's put the pink slime down there and, looks like you've fallen over. Are you all right? Whoa, it's a pink dinosaur. Oh, it's all right, Mr. Dinosaur. I wonder what happens if we squish him. Whoa, look at all of those super pretty, colorful balls inside of our dinosaur squishy. Oh, so much fun. All right, Mr. Dinosaur, you can come and sit next to my friend, Little Turtle. Whoa, look what's next to our dinosaur. It's a super cool pink poppin' tube. Whoa, that is super long and look, it's so bendy. I wonder what happens if I put it in the slime. Whoa, it bounces. All right, let's put you over here and, I wonder what this is. Oh my goodness, it's my favorite. It's a delicious donut with pink sprinkles on the top. Yummy. All right, well, let's see if there's any fizzy magic in the air. So I'm gonna wrap my pink poppin' tube around like this. Take our, whoa, super stretchy pink slime. Pop it over everything. Get it over the donut, over our dinosaur squishy friend, of course our little turtle, and our poppin' tube. And can you see any fizzy magic in the air? Whoa, there it is! All right! Oh no, not again! We're left with our little turtle. Uh-oh, looks like this magical slime got wet too. Don't worry, let's get you out here. We'll pop the pink slime over here, pop you on top. Remember, Fizzy said to look in all of the slime bottles. So, what do you think, Fizzy?
That's right, Miss Hands. We need to look inside all of the slime bottles to find all of the clues to see what's happening. Miss Hands!
Yes, Phoebe?
There's only one bottle left.
That's right, Phoebe. Do you know what color it is?
Blue!
That's right, Phoebe. All right, let's go ahead and open up the blue bottle. Oh no! Look, we've got another super cute turtle. But this one is orange with purple and yellow spots. Wow, I think this one's my favorite. All right, let's put you down here, and it's time to see what's inside the blue bottle. Here we go. Whoa, that sounded super loud. Oh my goodness, look! It's a blue dinosaur. Whoa, that was a super loud roar. But you're such a pretty blue color. So big too. All right, let's go put you next to our little turtle. And look what's next to the pink slime. Uh-oh, I think we got a bit of pink on it. It's a blue and pink stretchy unicorn. Oh, it wobbles too. But look, we got some pink mane a purple unicorn horn and a blue body. Aw, I look so happy. Let's go put you on the other side of Turtle. And what's this? All right, it looks like some delicious blueberries. I wonder if the dinosaur would like some. Here you go, dinosaur. You're very welcome, dinosaur. And look what we've got. It's some wobbly, jiggly, blue, stretchy slime. All right. I wonder if this magical slime still has its magic. Let's find out. All right. We'll get you here. We'll pop the little turtle there. There's your blueberries. And I'm going to pop the unicorn on the top. Now we take our jiggly blue slime, stretch it out, put it all over, and wait for the Fizzy Magic. I really hope this Fizzy Magic works.
Oh no! They haven't changed back! Fizzy, what are we gonna do? Let me try my Fizzy Magic! Fizzy, Wizzy, Bulbit... Fizzy, Wizzy... something's not right. It's like my magic is stuck. That's it! Your magic is stuck in slime! Miss Hands! Miss Hands!
Yes, Phoebe?
Could you please take the slime off each of our little turtles?
Of course, Phoebe.
All
right, let's get our green yellow turtle out of our green slime. Ugh. Pop that over there. Now for our pink slime. There you go, little turtle. And our blue slime. Carefully remove the blue magic slime. Ugh. All right. There you go, Phoebe. All done.
Thanks, Miss Hands.
That's all right, Phoebe.
Quick, Fizzy, try your Fizzy Magic. All right, Phoebe. Fizzy, Wizzy, Fizzy Wow, Fizzy, you did it! Woohoo! Take that, slime! You're welcome, Mama Turtle. Aw, they're so cute! Look, they have the same amount of energy as you, Phoebe. Awesome sauce! Hey, Fizzy, can I go play with them? Please, 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 please! All right, Phoebe, let's say goodbye first. Oops! Oh, yeah! Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time! All together now! Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop!